Welcome to our channel. If your LG TV's Wi-Fi is turned off and won't enable, this hardware-related issue can usually be fixed with troubleshooting. Follow these steps to restore Wi-Fi functionality. Step 1. Check if your LG TV's Wi-Fi is simply disabled in Settings. Go to Settings, Network, and verify that Wi-Fi connection is toggled on. Step 2. Perform a soft reset by unplugging your TV from the power outlet, waiting 60 seconds, then plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 3. Try enabling Wi-Fi through Quick Settings by pressing the Settings button on your remote and selecting Network from the Quick menu. Step 4. Check if your TV's Wi-Fi module is functioning by going to Settings, General, and running the Quick Start feature, which initializes Wi-Fi hardware. Step 5. Reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings, which resets network configurations without affecting other settings. Step 6. Update your TV's software to the latest version, as firmware bugs can sometimes cause Wi-Fi hardware to malfunction or fail to initialize. Step 7. If Wi-Fi still won't turn on, consider using a wired Ethernet connection as a temporary solution while troubleshooting continues. Step 8. Contact LG customer support or a qualified technician if the issue persists, as the Wi-Fi module may have hardware damage requiring professional repair. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.